I think I hit the chicken. Oh, you're fucking there.
You ready to go?
One. Whoa! I don't know where.
I'm so making a dance while charging at this. It's just a fucking tactic. Where's Aaron? Oh, there. Fuck!
Hit me harder, senpai!
We good, guys, right side.
We don't have full 360 now.
See if we even push that hut on the right. Can we? You want to push that hut on the right with me? I'm ready to push when you are. Go, go, go! Just go again.
Oh my god. Wash the windows, wash the windows. Yeah, no, that's not.
Last time I tried to go through, they shot me in the legs. They're just camping up.
We've got us, the fucking autism team.
Right, I'm going to push up then.
Come in here, you're clear to run here.
I've got a Springer. They cost £10. I'm here for damage.
Bottom floor's clear. They're both top floor.
Bottom floor seems clear, guys. Let's stack up.
Bottom floor's clear, top floor.
What's the rules on dual wielding?
If you've got a pyro, I'll run in it and just lob it.
On dual wielding?
Huh? I was gonna run into the centre, just fucking lob it. Aye, I'm gonna run in and just chuck it at the top. Right, just, is that a pull and go? Cammy, I'm sorry, I'm the sacrifice.
No!
Yeah!
No! Yes, no!
Death to your Billy!